how are you today?
Oh, mad.
Mad? Why are you mad? It's about 4:45 on Friday, December 4th. I was here earlier, but we were so busy with therapy, I couldn't get a good visit with you, so I'm back, and I understand you had a visitor about an hour ago?
Yes. And it was someone.
Be a little louder, I think. I can't hear you.
Oh, it was someone who was representing that stupid group that's angry at me, and I never did anything to anybody in my life. I was always I was born and raised in Cleveland.
Did she say her name or what she wanted, why she came here?
I think she left her name, her card.
I'll check that later, okay?
Yeah.
What did she want to tell you?
Well, she said she was here from, she didn't say where she was from, but regarding a court decision about my guardian.
Oh. Okay.
I said, guardian? I said, what do I need a guardian for?
What'd she say to that?
And she said, well, they're anxious to protect me. You know me. And I said, I never heard of such nonsense in my life. I said, I was born here, raised in Cleveland, had some very excellent, what did I say, grades, and there's no reason why I need a guardian. I felt like saying a stupid thing, but I didn't.
No.
Maybe I should.
That's one of the things why I wanted to talk to you today, because we just heard that after I was here last night and talked about the court's decision with the guardian, and you had some time to think about it, and I just wanted to double check what you thought about it, what you feel about this, and I'm sure you expressed it already. Well, now we found out that Adult Protective Services is trying to disallow all those papers and motions that you put through the court for your case, and they want to disallow everything as though it never existed. I don't know. Well, probably to get possession of you in your property.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Well, this isn't the beautiful country that I was born into and lived in all my life.
Isn't that a shame?
And obeyed all the laws and paid taxes and everything else. It's a disgrace. It really is.
And I don't want to upset you further, but we found out that the court has rescinded your power of attorney's authority to aid you in your case. And
I didn't think they could do that.
No, I didn't either.
I don't believe that.
I don't know where their power is coming from, but
I don't either. A bunch of crooks.
Yeah, what do you want to do about your case?
Well, I want to oppose it on a legal ground.
Oppose what? Your case or the injustice of their interference?
Well, let me alone already.
And that's one thing we're trying to do, is get the word out to the public, as many people as we can, about this abuse of you and your rights, and you're a person in the United States, and how do you feel about that?
I don't know, I'm beginning to get very apprehensive about everything. And it's not fair, and they're going to wreck what the few years I have left of my life.
Yeah, it's very upsetting to you, isn't it? And your friends that care about you. There's been a lot of people making comments about your videos, what you said on the internet, and they're very up in arms and offering suggestions and prayers and hope for you, and other people they know in the same kind of circumstances.
I don't know how they could get away with anything like that. They must have bought their way out or something.
we've given some or maybe people haven't gone against their powers for so long, they figure they can do whatever they want, and they just go ahead and
Well,
do this.
I think I'm going to die trying.
So you're gonna keep trying.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you mean you're not gonna give up. Is that what you mean?
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
In one way or another.
Right. That's good. I'm glad you have a good spirit and hope for yourself.
You know, my church has an attorney in the congregation. I don't know who he is. I never met him. But I think if I got in touch with someone like that and told him about the injustice of it, he would accept my verdict. After all,
Maybe he'd have more.
I've been a faithful member of that church.
Yeah, maybe that person would have more authority or expertise to help you better. Do you think you'd want to try somebody else if we found somebody that could help your case better than the current attorney?
Well, as I said, I never met the man, and I don't know. But just being a Christian, a practicing Christian, which all of us should be. Well, he's not. He probably would, at least frankly, tell me if he would do it, I suppose.
Yeah, if he had the right background and area of the law. Well, just same question you've heard before. What do you want to do with the remaining years of your life?
I would like to live in peace and quiet, and even if it's a humble little home, I would still like to live there, but not if I'm going to have to be fighting against the law or anything else.
Do you want to, by home, do you mean like your house that you have now, or do you mean the nursing home?
Oh, nursing home, never. I'll die first. No, I don't deserve that. I don't need it, and I don't deserve it. I'll give them nursing home yet.